Two ACCA students, same paper cleared, same number of attempts, same city. On papers, they look almost identical, but one of them is stuck at a 5 to 6 lakh salary and the other one is already in a high growth role with almost 2 to 3 times more money coming in. What is the real difference here? It's not about the marks, it's not about who cleared in the few attempts. The real difference is how they use AI with their ACCA knowledge. One person is scared that AI will replace them, and the other person is using AI as a power tool to become faster, sharper, and more valuable at work. In this video, I want to show you exactly how AI is changing ACCA from course point of view, how exactly it affects your exam preparation and your future job, and eventually your salary. We are going to talk about AI and ACCA in a structured way so that you can actually apply it. Whether you're just starting applied knowledge or you are a strategic professional and already working in finance, audit, or consulting, this matters to you. Here are 3 main things we are going to cover today. How AI can completely change your ACCA preparation, how AI is already being used in real accounting and finance role where ACCA students and members work, what this means to your career and your earning potential as an ACCA. Stay with me till the end because I will also give you a simple action plan where you can start today, and even if you have never seriously used AI before. Before we go into the details, let us accept one basic truth. The finance and accounting world has become very technology heavy. Automation, analytics, and AI are coming into every department. So just knowing standards and formula is not enough anymore. You need ACCA knowledge plus the comfort with using AI tools. ACCA gives you the brain, AI gives you the power tools, and when you combine both, you become very difficult to replace. And right now, ACCA has already started building this into a qualification. It's not only outside tools that are changing, the syllabus itself is slowly preparing you for an AI-driven world. In early papers like business and technology, you are introduced to how automation and data changes the role for the finance team. You discuss information system, digital process, and what happens when your routine work is handled by machines. Through the ethics and professional skill modules, you're pushed to think in a data-driven way. You learn how to make a messy business problem break into questions, work with data, interpret trends, and present insight clearly. This is exactly the mindset you need when you work with AI and analytic tools in real world. In higher papers like strategic business leaders and the performance papers, case studies are already included topics such as analytics, information system, digital transformation, and even the impact of intelligent systems on control, risk, and decision making. You are expected to comment on how management should use technology responsibly, not how to record transactions. So ACCA is quietly telling you something. The future accountant is not only a person who competes with machines on speed of typing. The future accountant is a person who understands business, ethics, and numbers and knows how to use powerful tools including AI and create better decisions. Now let us start with your reality right now, which is the ACCA course and exam preparation. Instant concept clarity. You need those topics that keep you stuck for days. For example, the IFRS 15 on revenue recognition, or the difference between a finance lease or operating lease, or the logic of impairment under IAS 36. Instead of staying focused on wasting 3 days, you can use AI in a smarter way. You can literally type something like this on an AI tool. Explain IFRS to me as if I'm in 10th standard and give me one example from software company. Or explain the difference between finance lease and operating lease with simple numerical illustrations. Within few seconds, you get a clear step-by-step explanation in simple language with an example. Then open your approved study text and cross-check. You are not replacing your textbook, you are using AI to break the concept down, and textbook makes more sense. Unlimited practice questions. Most students are limited by the number of questions inside one book or one question bank. AI removes that limit. You can say, create 15 MCQ on various analysis for performance management at ACCA, applied skill levels with detailed solution. Or Give me 5 ethic case scenarios suitable for ACCA where I have to choose the correct actions and then explain the answer. Now you have a fresh practice material exactly in your weak area. Yes, AI can make mistakes, so you must always check the answers with your material or faculty. But as practice generator, it is extremely powerful. You are not waiting for a new book. You are creating the extra practice on demand, understanding formulas instead of memorizing them. Most ACCA students try to mug up formulas for NPV, IRR, WACC, variance analysis, ratios, and then forget them after exams. With AI, you can move from memorizing to understanding. You can ask why WACC is calculated the way it is. Explain each part of the formula and why it's weighted. Or explain the intuition behind sales volume variance and sales price variance with one example. When you understand why a formula looks like that, 3 things happen. You remember it longer, you make fewer silly mistakes, and you can actually use it for your work later, not only till the exam hall. Personalized study plan. Many students either have note plan or they download some random timetable. AI can help you build a plan that's actually based on your life. You can say, my financial reporting exam is on 15th June. I can study for 2 hours from Monday to Friday and 5 hours on Saturdays and Sundays. My weak areas are consolidation and finance instrument. Create a weekly study plan with revision and mock tests. Within seconds, you get a study schedule that knows your exam date and your available hours, your weak topics, and now your job is simple. Follow the plan and review it every week and keep adjusting. Answer feedback and writing support. Subjects like audit and assurance or strategic business leader are not only calculations. They are about how you write and present your answer. AI can act like a writing coach. You can paste your answers and say, review this as if you are an ACCA examiner. Tell me where I can lose marks and how I can improve my structure and points. AI will point out mistakes and points, repetitive lines, weak structure, and suggest a more professional tone. You still decide what to accept, but at least you're not preparing blindly. It is like having someone to review your answers midnight when your tutor is not available. Notes, flashcards, and simplifications. Instead of rewriting the same notes over and over again, you can use AI to convert your notes into lighter formats. For example, convert these notes on audit risk into question and answer flashcards. Summarize these 3 pages of explanation of financial instrument into 1 page with headings, bullet style points, and simple language. Now your notes can become more compact, easier to revise, and saves you time on rewriting. Now I want you to pause and really listen to this part. AI gives you the answers. ACCA teaches you what questions you ask. If you do not understand basic financial statements, ratios, and what substance over from mean, what materiality is, then you will not know what to ask an AI tool. You may get a lot of information, but not the information that really matters. Imagine AI is a very powerful car. Your ACCA is the knowledge that is your driving skills. If you cannot drive, the car is wasted. If you can drive well, the same car takes you much further than a normal one. So your goal is not to let AI think for you. Your goal is to let AI handle the heavy lifting while you do the thinking. Now let us move from exams to real world. Imagine you have cleared most of your ACCA papers and you are working in audit or financial reporting, FP&A, tax or consulting. How does AI show up in your day-to-day work? First area, annual reports and financial analysis. Earlier, if you had to analyze one company, you might spend 5 to 7 hours reading through 300 pages of annual reports, searching for revenue breakdowns, risk selection, cash flow details, and segment performance. Now you can use an AI tool that reads the document, you upload the annual report and ask targeted questions like, what is the main revenue stream and how do they grow over the last 3 years? What are the top 5 risks mentioned by management? How has debt to equity ratio changed over the last 3 years and what does that indicate? Within minutes, you get a first level analysis. Then your ACCA training comes in. You can check if the answers are reasonable, you dive deeper into areas that look risky or interesting, you decide what to present to your manager or client. The searching part becomes faster, the thinking part becomes richer. Second area, FP&A and management accounting. If you work in budgeting or performance analysis, you spend a lot of time on explanation. Why did profits drop? Why did the labor cost get higher? Why is the margin lower? Once you have the numbers, you can ask AI. Write a clear explanation for why labor cost variance is adverse this month based on the data and suggest 3 practical actions management can take. AI will produce a well-structured explanation you can then adapt to your company reality, remove anything that does not fit in and keep what adds value. You spend more time on deciding what is sensible and less time on writing the same sentences over and over again. Third area, audit testing and documentation. In audit, AI can help you scan large data sets for long documents. For example, if you have meeting minutes or contracts, you need to find specific clauses or unusual patterns. AI will help you identify those sections quickly. But remember, AI does not sign audit opinions. Your professional judgment does. AI helps you find the needles in the haystack. You decide which needle is sharp enough to be a risk. Fourth area, tax and research work. In tax and advisory roles, you regularly need to understand how a particular type of transaction is treated. Instead of starting from zero, you can ask AI for high-level summaries with examples, then verify every detail with updated law, firm manual, and your seniors. This way, you reach a decent base understanding faster and you spend more time on reviewing it. Fifth area, small automations and tools. You may not be a programmer, and that's fine. But with AI, you can still create small tools, and you can say, write an Excel formula that highlights duplicate entries in this column. Design a monthly management report template in Excel for me with spaces for key KPIs and charts. AI will give you the basic structure or formula. You then test it and adjust it. Now you're not just an ACCA who knows numbers, you are an ACCA who knows how to make the tools work. Employers love that combination. Let us connect all this back to salary because that's the output everyone cares about. Think about 2 ACCA qualified professionals, both cleared the same subject, both started at almost the same entry-level salary. Person 1 continues to work in a traditional way, manual reading, simple Excels, no serious use of AI. Great effort but limited output. Person 2 spends few hours every week learning how to combine ACCA knowledge with AI tools, and they analyze more companies in the same time, prepare better reports, answer more complex questions, and support more clients and internal team members without burning out. In a few years, who gets promoted fast? Who becomes the first choice for important projects? Who gets stronger offers from the other companies? In the real world, employees do not pay for only how long you sit in front of the laptop. They pay for the quality and quantity of value that you create. If AI allows you to do 3 times the value with the same number of hours, your growth curve will look very different from someone who refuses to learn these tools. Now let us make this very practical. If you're currently an ACCA student, here is where you can start from today. Use AI for concept clarity after every chapter. Take one topic you've studied today, ask AI to explain it in a simple language with 1 or 2 new examples, then compare it with your text. Create practice sets for your weak topics. List 3 weakest areas for each one. Ask AI to generate small sets of questions, then solve them, and then check with your material. Turn your notes into revision tools. Once a week, take your notes from one topic and ask AI to turn them into flashcards or one-page summaries for those quick revisions. Slowly build comfort with basic automation. Start with one small step, maybe learn one advanced Excel function with AI help, or ask AI to explain a very simple Python script just so that you become comfortable with the idea. Even 20 to 30 minutes a day adds up a lot in a year. If you're already working while doing ACCA, or you are an ACCA affiliate or a member, your action plan is slightly different. Pick one real task from your job and ask, how can I use AI here? It can be a report or a reconciliation, a side desk, or a piece of analytics. Experiment with AI on that task. Practice asking better prompts on real data. Upload one annual report, one data set, or one document you can actually use at work and practice asking specific questions. Only add AI skills to your CV once you have real usage. Do not simply write about being an AI enthusiast. First, build genuine comfort with these tools. Then you can honestly say that you have experience with AI-assisted analytics or reporting. So the simple truth is, This AI will not replace ACCA professionals, but ACCA professionals who use AI, well, will definitely replace those who refuse to learn it. At least for next few years, AI skills plus ACCA knowledge will carry a clear premium in the job market. ACCA gives you an expertise and AI gives you the superpowers. Together, they become your career rocket fuel. If you found this video helpful and you want more guidance on how to plan your ACCA journey in this new AI-powered world, you can reach out to us at FinPlan Edu for one-to-one counseling sessions about your exams, your paper sequence, and your career roadmap. Choose to be the ACCA professional who knows how to drive powerful cars, not just the one who is scared of it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.